my name is Drupad and welcome to iKids Good Time. So let me tell you the backstory of today's video. Last year in my school, it was going ECP class. They were teaching us about recycle, reuse and those things you can understand. They were doing blah 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 blah. I was not paying attention because it was so easy. I knew this every time they said this only. So then one time when I was watching TV at the night time, I was watching a cartoon about recycling things. So I was few days before I had some Pokemon cards and I was thinking where to keep them. So I thought if I manage to take a box from my friends or my parents, so I can keep my Pokemon cards inside and I would get space to keep them. So I was finding a box for my Pokemon cards, but I could not find it. And then when I was going to throw my waste in the dustbin, I saw a box. So I thought I will take it and make it a Pokemon cards holder. See guys. But sorry guys, I can't show you how was it before because it is already built. But I can still explain you how did I build it. In the first, I just thought that it does not need this designing and anything. So first I took a paper and wrote Pokemon cards, and I wrote a lightning bolt because I like lightning bolt because it's so cool. I like fire type Pokemon, so that's why I thought to make some fire here, but it was a bad idea. So forget about it. We'll continue. So the next day, I had so good Pokemon cards. So awesome Pokemon cards that my friends were jealous and they wanted to steal my Pokemon cards. So I thought from my detective mind, I was thinking, what shall I do? Then I got an idea. I like Spider-Man and Minecraft. I combined them to make Spider-Man skin Minecraft player. Spider-Man likes to swing from buildings to building. That's why I made a building here and a sun and a glory looking glass. So it is looking awesome. For some touches, finishing touches, I just made here Pokemon labels, Pokemon, and Pokemon. And up here I made D for Drupad. My name, D for Drupad. So inside this, I will also show you what's inside it. So I made a Pokemon card pocket. Means it will look like this. Really guys, it took very much few hours to make this and it was so hard working day. I needed sketch pen and brush pen very much. It was so irritating, but I finally made it. And now I'll just tell you, I'll make Pokemon videos also. And like, subscribe and share this video to your friends and family to get new videos updated every time. So bye bye.